Okay, good morning. This is an English video. Phew, my face looks terrible. Anyway, this is an English video on how you are going to go in to Superprof and how you could find me. Okay, so first thing first, I will put some Afrikaans here and there. Like the Superprof video I made is in Afrikaans, so I'll just translate it to English in captions. But anyway, okay. So let's start. First of all, hi, I'm Kianka. I am an English, Afrikaans and math teacher for Superprof. I have a YouTube account, as you know. And I do grade 1, 2, 3 and 4 maths, and from 1 to 6 Afrikaans and English. I don't do high school or grade 7 because it's a little bit more complicated, and me myself still don't understand everything in maths. That's why I just do it until grade 4. But anyway, so I'm a Superprof teacher, well, tutor. I like to help kids a lot. I do. It's everything. I love kids. I don't know how many people actually uses Superprof to learn these days, but so far I'm doing very, very good. Okay, so first thing first, why do I use Superprof instead of like other sites? I use a lot of sites actually. There's just too much, if I can say so myself. So I'm doing my preparing now because I haven't prepared what I really want to say. Okay, but here's some things I have had to think about on ChatGPT. So I use this. Okay, so I used ChatGPT to just sum up a couple of points. Okay, so I'm going to do it 2 times. I'm going to say it in Afrikaans and in English. First thing is English. So the pros is it's a wide range of subjects. You can find tutors for almost everything, like school subjects, musical instruments, cooking, and even yoga. There's a lot of things to do on Superprof. There's flexible learning options. You can choose between in-person and online lessons depending on your location and the tutor's availability. Me, I'm not available to travel because I have a child to take care of, so I'm doing it online and online only. If you want me to travel, it's got to be in Middelburg in South Africa, and that's rare. Profiles and reviews. Tutors often have detailed profiles with reviews from previous students to help you choose. So previous students will go and like review you and say, you're so good, we will use you every single day, you should choose her, like choose her, she's good. Or they will say, nah, you just sit and stare at us, you do absolutely nothing, you're a pervert. But you know, sorry for using that word, but it is what some people do, is they choose to do online tutoring or things to just take a look at the girls or the boys. You know, there's girl pedophiles and things too, so I'm just saying that. Probably shouldn't, but I did. Okay, there is first lessons. The first lesson is often free, like many tutors often the first lesson free as a trial, so you can test compatibility if you want to use the teacher or not. So you could, yeah. And then user-friendly surface. The website app is generally easy to use when searching for tutors. It's literally so easy to use. You just sign in, or don't sign in, but signing in is a little bit better. And then you search for a tutor. And the subject and where the rate should be, like 2,000, 3,000, not really 3,000 please, per hour. That is a lot for a tutor. I know someone who asked $400, 4,000 rand per hour, no, mine is 5, sure, mine is 150, 50 and 20. So for the 150 it's English per hour, the 50 is 50 rand per hour for Afrikaans, and the 20 is for the math from grade 1 to 4. There is also cons though. There is some cons. Quality varies. Since almost anyone can register it as a tutor, the quality and experience levels vary. Okay. It's important to read reviews and check the qualifications. That is true. I'm qualified to do grade 1, 2, 3, 4 maths, maybe 5 if I have to go Google and search some things up. Yeah, I could help you with that. Do not ask me if I can help you with math from grade 6 to grade 10, 11, 12. I'm not even at grade 11 yet. I'm not even at grade 11 yet. So I don't know that. But I could help you with grade 1 to 4, definitely. And maybe 5 if you want me to help you with grade 5. It's like very important to check the qualifications of the teacher. I could speak fluent English and fluent Afrikaans. I have a feeling I said that word wrong though. Anyway, sorry. I'm just thinking my brain ain't braining today because it's Afrikaans English. I have to mix it. Ugh. Surface fee. Okay, so surface. Why? Service fee. Okay, so SuperProf may charge connection fee. Like example, a one-time payment to connect a tutor. Contact a tutor. Ish. Okay. Which some users find inconvenient. I understand. I do. It's actually to contact the tutor because you have to use or her Gmail or you have to get her phone number, which is, like I said, very, very, very dangerous sometimes because you don't know if it's really students who's like looking for you, or old men, women, you know, because there's a lot of kid tutors on here and I see some of them are grade 7, so I want to know how they help, but can't judge. I'm also still in school. We got it. Okay, lack of vetting. Not all tutors are professionally vetted, so you need to be cautious, especially for specialized subjects. Okay, so that's why I say I only do grade 1, 2, 3 and 4 maths, and all people, kids, students can come to me for Afrikaans and English. But please, I am telling you, I'm not good at any other grade of mathematics except 1 to 4. But I will help. I love helping. Okay. So then the last thing that I do want you to know is there is Spanish classes on there. There's a lot of things. I could speak a little Spanish. I'm not doing the Spanish classes though because yeah, I'm gonna charge. So we're not doing that. But I am going to say there's a lot of good teachers who will help you with Spanish. But anyway, it's tutors, not teachers. There's customer service complaints. Okay. Some users report slow or unhelpful customer support, especially when you're trying to get refunds. So that's nothing to do with the tutors. I'm going to have to tell you this. But if you want to get a refund from SuperProf, you have to go to their account on their thingy, the website, and you have to get it there. But they sometimes do not refund you and you lose the money. But that's really, really, really rare. It's if they don't read your complaint, but they are always, there's, what's it called? I'm going to say now. Okay. I have to go bath my child, but let me finish here quickly. Okay, so basically they do refund you immediately sometimes. Always, actually. I've never heard of someone who's struggled to get a refund. But then once again, I am new. But like I have done some research and they say it's a very, very good place to be a student of. But I do want to tell you this. They do have assistants, like AI assistants that will refund you. So they won't miss your email, contacts, whatever. Okay. And then, Superprof is a very good platform for finding personalized help if you take the time to research your tutor carefully. It's especially useful for flexible one-on-one learning, but you should read the fine print and reviews before committing, because some people don't read. Would you like to review a tutor or someone? Okay, yeah, I don't understand that. That's not important, but like, for the Afrikaans learners, vir die Afrikaans leerders, vir wie nie verstaan nie. Ouers sal seker vir hulle kinders sê Engels, Afrikaans, maar kom maar, doen nou maar net laat die kinders ook kan luister. Okay, so groot verskeidenheid vakke. Daar's verskriklike baie vakke, daar's ander tale, daar's wiskunde, Afrikaans, Engels. Okay, ek doen Afrikaans, wiskunde en Engels. Wiskunde net van graad 1 tot 4 en Afrikaans en Engels regdeur. Die online en persoonlike lesse. Jy kan kies of jy online, in persoon of al twee wil doen. Ek doen net online, want ek het 'n kind om te versorg, so ek kan nie na die persoon toe gaan nie. En ek verkies dit so, want sosiale media is al klaar erg genoeg om iemand oor 'n foon te sien, of oor iets te sien. Ek wil nie hulle nog in persoon sien nie. Social anxiety, sosiale angs, nie lekker nie. Okay, profiele en resensies. Die meeste tutors het volledige profiele met studente resensies, sodat jy kan kies en sien hoe goed hulle is. Nie kies nie, dat jy kan sien hoe goed hulle is. So, ek, soos ek sê, net Afrikaans, Engels, regdeur, wiskunde, net 1 tot 4, kan nie dit doen nie, ken nie, 5 en 6 en 7 en 8 en 9 en 10, 11 tof, nee. Okay, ek sien my kans. Goed, so, die resensies is goed, is daar so, jy kan sien, jy kan kies wie jy wil hê. Eerste les is dikwels gratis. Jy hoef nie te betaal daarvoor nie. Dis om te sien of jy van die tutor hou of nie. En net om seker te maak alles is reg en goed soos dit. En dis die maklikste webtuiste. Dit is eenvoudig om te gebruik en dit is verbruikersvriendelik. Okay, dan net nog 'n ding is nadele. Ek gaan baie vlugtelik daardeur gaan, want ek moet gou maak. So nadele is kwaliteitverskil. Enigiemand kan registreer as 'n tutor, so hulle kan nie weet wat hulle doen nie. Soos ek gesê het in Engels, dit kan mense wees wat jou net wil sien en basies jou wil, ja. Verbindingsfooi. Soos ek gesê het, baie mense sê hulle kry nie hulle refund nie en hulle kry nie dit nie, dit en dit. Jy kry jou geld terug as jy sê nee, kanselleer, ek wil nie meer dit doen nie. Jy kry jou geld terug, daar is AI, assistente wat jou sal help met jou dit, so jy hoef nie te worry nie. Beperkte kontrole. Nie alle tutors word streng nagegaan nie, so jy moet self seker maak hulle kwalifikasies, oor hulle kwalifikasies, ja. So jy moet seker maak, dit is wat jy wil hê en hoe jy dit wil doen, dis die beste. En dan klagtes van kliënte, dis slegte diens en goed soos dit, almal kry dit, been there, done that. Ja. Dan is dit net presies die Engels en goed soos dit. Nou, hoe om 'n student te wees? Jy skep 'n rekening, jy gaan na superprof.co.za, die prof webwerf van jou land, registreer met jou e-posadres, Google rekening of Facebook. Soek na 'n tutor, gebruik die soekbalk om jou vak te kies, byvoorbeeld wiskunde, klavier, Afrikaans en jou ligging of kies online. Jy kan tutors ook filtreer volgens prys, ervaring, resensies en beskikbaarheid. Lees tutors profiel deeglik deur om seker te maak hulle is waarlik. Kontak die tutor, jy klik op kontak of bespreek 'n les, kontak, boek 'n lesson. Dan reël jou eerste les. Reël jou eerste les. Bespreek jou doelwitte en jou tyd en hoe jy dit wil doen. Dan kan jy op Zoom, Google Meet of Skype. Ek doen Google Meet. Google Meet, dit is 'n bietjie makliker vir my. Ek kan Skype ook, ek kan nie Skype doen nie, ek kan wel ook Zoom doen, so ek sal Zoom ook kry. Dan volg jou les en gee terugvoer. Dis al. Just go to superprof.com, the version of your country, sign up with your email, Google account or Facebook, search for a tutor, read the profiles carefully, contact the tutor, arrange your first lesson and attend and review. That's basically it. That is very, very easy for you to know. You don't need to do anything else. Now all I'm going to do is give you a little bit of a video on how to go in and how to do it. So it's going to be easy. But anyways, thank you for listening to this video. Oh, my face is really getting bad. Thank you for watching this video and supporting Superprof. Not even me, Superprof. And there's a lot of awesome tutors out there. And I hope you will commit to it. And I look forward to teaching some of y'all.
Superprof wil ingaan. Al wat julle gaan doen is julle gaan na julle Google toe. Julle gaan search. Julle sê Superprof tutors. Julle gaan daarin. Julle gaan by die official website in. Dan kry julle miljoene en miljoene opsies. Julle moet insign, so om in te sign gaan julle net daar so in, by die 3 kolletjies. Daar. Julle sê login, maar eers, julle hoef glad nie in te log eerste nie, julle gaan net letterlik daar so in, want as jy inlog, is jy basies 'n tutor, so jy hoef glad nie daar in te log nie. So daar so is nou tutors en goeders, reg. Nou wat jy doen, so jy gaan daar, jy sê search tutor, jy sê Afrikaans, online, dan wag jy. Nou om my te kry, want hier so is 2000 Afrikaanse tutors hier so op. Om my te kry, al wat jy doen is, jy gaan by Rite, jy sê 50, maak seker is op die kop 50, en jy sê apply, reg. Dan sal jy my nog steeds nie kry nie, soos jy kan sien, maar as jy lucky is, kry jy my net hier so. Dan kan jy net daar klik, jy moet dan insign. Maar dit is nie eintlik nodig nie. Maar sign maar net in, ek gaan maar net nou my ander account gebruik, om julle te wys. Dan sign jy maar net in. Okay. Dan gaan jy weer, jy gaan soek my, daar is ek. Julle sê add to favorites. En dan is ek daar by julle favorites, okay? So dan, al wat julle doen, so julle gaan na julle toe, julle gaan na favorites toe, en dan is ek hier so. Okay, julle kan julle eie naam gee, ek het net myself gehou, Kie genoem, maar julle kan letterlik vir my enigiets gee, soos tutor of iets soos dit. Okay? Ek het Afrikaanse klasse, wiskunde klasse, Engelse klasse, alles wat julle wil hê. Die enigste ding is, as julle my Engelse klasse goed soek, moet julle 'n bietjie meer, julle moet verder ingaan om my Engelse klasse te soek. So ek gaan net gou weer vir julle hierdie wys. So, om my Engelse klasse te kry, ek glo jy kan by my profiel ingaan en dan my advertensie sien. Ek is nie doodseker nie. Kom ons kyk gou. Soos ek. Goed. So, soos julle kan sien, hierso is ek met my R50, dis net vir my Afrikaans. Die is net Afrikaans. Julle gaan, ek is geverify by the way, ek sê maar net vir julle. Die is my Afrikaanse profiel. Ja, dis my Engels. Asai. So, dis my Afrikaans, reg? Wat for some reason in Engels is, maar dis my Afrikaans. Om my Engels te kry, weer eens, geen idee nie, jy moet gaan soek, dit is so moeilik om iets op die app te kry, jy moet letterlik gaan soek vir iets. Nou, my Engels is 'n bietjie duurder, ek moet sê, maar ek het 'n goeie rede daarvoor, dit is omdat ek Engels kan praat, maar dis nie my huistaal nie, so ek vra net 'n bietjie duurder daarvoor, maar dit is op die einde van die dag, totaal en al, worth it, as ek het in Engels kan sê. Ons is nou besig met, oh my word, ons is nie nou besig met Afrikaanse klasse nie, so ek gaan net 'n bietjie Engels praat, ek is baie jammer. Kom kry ek nou nie, op 50 nie, as hy. So, hierso weer eens, daar is 9000 tutors, julle gaan forever vat om my te kry. Maar, like I said, julle gaan maar moet soek. En as julle my nie kry nie, dit is verskriklik moeilik. Ek het op die eerste video van gister my goed gesit, behalwe my wiskunde, maar ek gee wiskunde ook, so julle kan enige tyd daartoe gaan, maar nou weet julle ten minste waar om te gaan om die les